Alright, this is a quick memory video or a reminder video on how to find the highest common factor of a number. So what you can do in order to find the highest common factor is break a number down into its prime factors. Now the way to do that, or one way you can do that, is by breaking it down. So what we can do is choose numbers to multiply together to get 24, any factors that multiply together to get 24. So if we say, okay, well, let's branch this down into 2 times 12. Now 2 on this left-hand branch, we've already hit a prime factor because 2 is a prime number. But 12, we're not at the prime factors yet. 12 is not a prime number. We can break 12 down into 3 times 4. And we've just found another prime factor of 24. You can see 12 was 3 times 4. 3 is prime. But we've still got our 4. And so what we'd have to do is break our 4 down into 2 times 2. And so you can now see that our prime factors for 24 would be 2 times 3 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 3 would be 6. 6 times 2 would give us 12. 12 times 2 would give us 24. And so the prime factors of 24, the highest common, or the prime factors of 24 are going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now if we want to find the highest common factor between 24 and 12, we'd have to repeat that process with 12. We're going to repeat this half of the diagram. So you can see here, 12 is going to be, I'm going to choose two different factors. 12, instead of being 3 times 4, I'm going to break it down into 6 times 2. Then I'm going to say, okay, well 2 is prime, so I can't follow that branch anymore. Whereas 6, I can follow the branch and I can end up with 3 and 2. And so you can see the prime factors for 12 are 3 times 2 times 2. 3 times 2 would give us 6. 6 times 2 would give us 12. And so we've ended up with our prime factors for 12. And you can see that these are the same 3 prime factors over here on the right-hand side. So if we're looking for the highest common factor then of 24 and 12, then you'd be able to see, okay, well, what have these two got in common? They've both got 1, 2, they've both got a second 2, and they've both got a 3. And so our highest common factor would then be the multiple of those 3 digits. So 3 times 2 would be 6, 6 times 2 would give us 12. And so the highest common factor of 24 and 12 is 12.